Hello and welcome. I am Dr. Neva, and the name of my company is Nevalliance. I'm going to talk to you about the what and the why. Now, the what in your company, when people look at it, they know what you're doing. But the why, I find, is even more important. And a lot of motivational speakers, gurus, they talk about the why. What is your why, right? But it's one thing for myself or a pair to go into a training room and tell you about your what and your why, right? But I want you to see it in or understand it from how we have created our what and our why, so that you would be able to develop your what and why if you have not done so. Now, if you have done so, that is excellent. You are way on your way to being who you want to be, what you want to be within your company. So what do we do? This is our what, okay? We provide training and development for organizations. We have designed these training programs to improve the job performance of an individual or group. Those programs typically involve advancing a worker's knowledge and skill sets and instilling greater motivation to enhance job performance, so that employees will be magnified with skills and positive motivation to make their organization succeed. Further, we work with small and medium businesses to develop and become functional operating businesses through our training and development program. That's our what. Now, what is our why? Why we do it? We want people to develop and have skills in different areas to be functional to their organization and or their own company. That is our why. I would love for you to share your why with me. And if you have not created your why, I think this is a time now to do it. Why? Because if you don't know your why, you constantly see yourself in circles. All right? And that is it for today. You have a great day. And thanks again for listening. I am Dr. Neva with Nevalliance and EValliance.com.